What's up, guys? We're here in Cordoba, and in this video, we're going to show you our top things to do here. So hope you enjoy it. Sitting in the heart of the Andalusia region in Spain, Cordoba is a fascinating city with an intriguing history. This is a place where the legacy of multiple religions and civilizations overlap. With a mix of cultures, architectural wonders, and a warm atmosphere, Cordoba is a great place to visit. You'll fall in love with the beauty this city has to offer, from its charming maze of streets to its hidden patios bursting with flowers. In this video, we highlight 10 of the best things to do in and around Cordoba. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Plaza de la Corredera is Cordoba's most famous square. Built between 1683 and 1687, it boasts a unique charm. While its past involved public pronouncements and even executions, today it's a bustling place, with outdoor cafes and lively bars. It's a great area to grab a drink, soak in the sunshine, and admire the surrounding architecture. We also tried a few local dishes here, like the flavorful cold soup, as well as fried eggplant with honey. Cordoba comes alive along the Guadalquivir River. Stroll along the top of its banks and unwind amidst the sunshine. The river path is easily accessible from the city center, and the lush greenery and gentle flow of water makes for a tranquil escape. You'll also be rewarded with scenic vistas of Cordoba's historic bridges and the city skyline. This is a really nice, peaceful walk during the day, but if you want the best lighting, we suggest coming out a little bit before sunset. You can also time it up so you finish at the Roman bridge, which we'll talk about later in the video. Just outside of Cordoba lies Medina Azahara, a vast archaeological site that was once a dazzling palace city. We did this as a guided tour from Cordoba, which started with a short 15-minute drive to the Reception Center Museum. Here, we watched a short movie with background information on the site. Then, we boarded a shuttle bus to the actual archaeological site, which is the only authorized means of transportation to get there. Built in the 10th century by a caliph, Medina Azahara served as a seat of power and symbol to the caliphate's grandeur. In its prime, you would have seen marble palaces, intricate gardens, private houses, and beautiful public spaces here. Mercado Victoria is a modern twist on the traditional market concept. Located on Paseo de la Victoria, it offers a gourmet food experience. Inside, you can discover an array of stalls, boasting tapas, drinks, and international dishes. It's a vibrant space, perfect for socializing and indulging in Cordoba's rich food scene. Popular with both locals and tourists alike, the market really comes alive at night. In Cordoba's historic center, you can find the Royal Stables, a 16th century building that was commissioned by King Philip II to breed the prized Andalusian horse. Today, This place hosts a nightly equestrian show, which is a unique blend of equestrian mastery as well as traditional flamenco music and dancing. The performance starts at 8 p.m., and advance tickets are required. You can also walk next to the stables in the venue for a closer look at the beautiful horses. We weren't allowed to film the actual performance, but trust us, it's an amazing cultural spectacle. Standing tall on the banks of the river, the Alcazar of the Christian kings is a majestic fortress palace. Built upon Roman and Islamic foundations, it reflects a blend of architectural styles. Its grandeur lies in its imposing towers, intricate mosaics, serene courtyard, and enchanting gardens. For us, the highlight was the gardens, lined with trees, flowers, and beautiful ponds and fountains. As this is one of the most popular attractions in Cordoba, make sure to book your tickets at least a few days in advance. Cordoba's soul is reflected in the Roman Bridge, a majestic stone structure spanning the Guadalquivir River. Built over 2,000 years ago, it's a testament to Roman engineering. Guarding its southern end is the Corredera Tower, a fortified structure from the Moorish era. Walk across the bridge for the best views of the city and the Mosque-Cathedral. At sunset, the bridge has a warm glow, which is a romantic and unforgettable way to experience Cordoba's history and beauty.
When you come to the viewpoint, make sure to stay until after the sunset, because that's when the lights come on and it becomes really beautiful.
Located in the heart of Cordoba's Old Town, the Jewish Quarter is a charming maze of narrow streets and whitewashed houses. At one time, this area flourished as the center of Jewish scholarship and culture. Today, it's a picturesque neighborhood where you can stroll around its white houses with flower-filled balconies. A couple hours in this area will allow you to stumble upon hidden courtyards, savor delicious tapas and cozy patios, or browse local crafts in souvenir shops. La Judería is a lively area and an enjoyable place to get lost and explore. In the Santa Marina quarter, Palacio de Viana is a hidden gem of the city. This isn't just a palace, it's a wonderland of courtyards. Over centuries, the Viana family expanded the estate and incorporated numerous patios, each boasting unique designs and a beautiful display of flowers, trees, and fountains. It's both a visual and sensory experience to walk around here. Aside from the gardens, the palace itself houses a rich collection of art and furniture, offering a glimpse into the aristocratic life. La Mezquita, also known as the Mosque-Cathedral, is the most iconic site in Cordoba. Once a grand mosque, it was converted into a cathedral after the Christian Reconquista. This unique blend of Islamic and Christian elements makes it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Step inside and be amazed by the seemingly endless rows of horseshoe arches and the stunning central dome. You can also explore the serene orange tree courtyard, a peaceful oasis. As this is the most famous place to visit in Cordoba, make sure to buy your entrance ticket well in advance. We included a link to book your ticket in the description below the video. If you're going to more destinations in Andalusia, make sure to check out our video about the top places to visit in this enchanting region of Spain. We included places you can't miss, some hidden gems, and important travel tips for this area. And of course, there are a few other things to do in Cordoba that we didn't mention. We've put a list of those on the screen here for you. If you're planning your Spain trip, we recommend keeping things organized with our interactive travel planner. Find a discount code in the description below the video. We also included other important links in the description that will help you with your Cordoba experience, such as an interactive map so you can get to each place that we mentioned. We'll catch you on the next adventure.